The establishment of BioCurate I found very exciting, and by providing expert advice and also access to cutting-edge resources, I really saw that BioCurate could make a really valuable contribution to research translation and to commercialisation in Australia.
Roger was one of BioCurate's earliest supporters. He connected early on with our founding CEO, Glenn Begley, and COO, Linda Peterson, and opened a dialogue.
We've done a considerable volume of work in the kind of discovery side of things, undertaking large screens in cancer cell lines and identifying potential therapeutic targets. I really felt that we could benefit from assistance from BioCurate in commercialising those targets.
Regardless of the status of a project, BioCurate's keen to build capability and confidence in academic researchers like Roger in the whole translational process. We were very happy to give him general advice, particularly around the commercial considerations of the work that he was doing in his lab at the time.
They change your way of thinking as an academic researcher. They highlight things which are really critical to potential commercialisation of a project which you may not have thought of.
The Proof of Concept Fund is about supporting early stage project research. It's to address scientific gaps that we identify when we review the project, and then work with the researcher and team members within BioCurate to develop a robust plan. During the year that we invested in the project, we certainly managed to de-risk the project based on the experimental plan that we'd identified. And then by the end of the year, there was sufficient confidence in the project to try and bring that project into our portfolio.
Now that we've got the project in the portfolio, we've built a development plan that has two parts. One is driven by Roger's team, focusing on the biology, and the drug discovery activities, which is led by BioCurate.
BioCurate allow us to leverage their funding and industry network so that we can focus on identifying drug response and predictive biomarker to assist in patient stratification.
There's the access to incredible expertise and quite diverse expertise at BioCurate, which spans commercialisation experience, project management, target validation and so on. Another key advantage has been access to resources. Examples of those would be internationally competitive compound libraries. It would be very difficult to fund those using academic funding sources.
Together, we were able to generate industry standard development plans for biomarker discovery and small molecule drug screens.
One of the benefits of working in the collaboration with the Daly team is that we can utilise the skills that each group has and offers to the project, and together, collectively, we have a much higher probability of success.
What we aim to achieve through collaborating with BioCurate in the short term is establishment of a preclinical package. In the longer term, a new precision treatment for certain poor prognosis cancers, which will significantly improve patient morbidity and mortality.
BioCurate's mission is to help translate biomedical research with therapeutic potential into clinically and commercially impactful medicines. Roger's project certainly has this potential, and we are excited to be working with him and his team, exemplifying our commitment to supporting researchers commercialise their research.